I'm back on the bullet train this morning. This time bound to Hakone, hot springs, Mount Fuji views, and finally cherry blossom. Let's go. Pro tip: grab an ikebin train bento and sit on the right side of the Fuji views. If the weather's nice, you get a shot of the Mount Fuji. Quick selfie with the train driver. A hotel has its own onsen? Yes, that means hot spring bath with zero strangers judging my tower skills. Haha. Sakura season is almost over, but we found few survivors. Cue the Instagram poses. Finally, we get to see the beautiful Sakura cherry blossoms. And I was speechless. I was so excited just looking at them because this is why I came to Japan in the busiest season. So, after exploring our hotel, getting some lovely cherry blossom, Hakone's gyozas, anyone? Crispy perfection. This matcha cheesecake is life changing, worth every calorie. Where should we go next? Comment below. Subscribe for more Japan adventures. See you in the next vlog. Make sure you drop a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.